Bonjour, moi c'est Maurice Info et Business Development Manager chez Essence Limited. Essence Limited, c'est une filière de la société NG Group. Et nous là, depuis novembre 2021, nous tiens pour tête as country partner et main distributeur de la marque Jaquar à Maurice. Aujourd'hui, nous pouvons représenter sa marque là suite à la vision de nos groupes CEO, M. Avinash Gopi, et qui est un expert dans la matière de construction. Alors, il amène sa fusion à Maurice parce qu'il a envie que tout Mauricien ait une bonne qualité de produit à un prix abordable. Okay? C'est pour ça qu'il nous fait sa fusion avec Jaquar. Parce que Jaquar, c'est un géant qui produit beaucoup en termes de sanitary ware, bathware, tapware, whirlpool, tout ce qui concerne bathroom solution. Et aujourd'hui, Jaquar, là, nous lançons nos showroom à Eben et avec une variété de produits qui est à la portée de tout le monde. Okay? Produit, c'est un produit de qualité avec 10 ans de garantie qui est à la portée de tout le monde. Et nous avons un service après-vente à l'oreille. Et nous parlons de sa introduction, c'est nous parlons de marché pour certaines catégories du monde. Nous avons un produit qui peut taper le marché en général. C'est-à-dire qu'on a un produit pour tout le monde. Pour tout le monde, et nous faisons un coordinated range qui peut satisfaire tout le monde.
My name is Heather Vanikak. I'm the Jaquar Essence Showroom Manager. Our function here is to ensure that Mauritius is aware of the brand of Jaquar and also to assist customers, clients, projects and so forth going forward to ensure that the customer's needs and requirements are met. We have a customer care service attached to our Jaquar World, and so any purchases that are brought from the company are at least given a service thereafter. Spares for the products is also available, but the most important takeaway from this is everything that you purchase from Jaquar is purchased under one roof. The company has got 8 factory facilities, and every item that is on display, there's a backup service for that too. But the coordinated ranges, which I believe Mr. Minaj has actually explained, will assist the end user in getting the design they want without having to outsource and purchase from several different suppliers. The experience that you have in the showroom is you can come and view the live displays that we have. They really are something to look at, and I believe that the feedback that we've had so far has been very successful since our launch and since we've opened. And in 2 weeks we've done some very large quotes. We've also had lots of people coming into the showroom to see the new designs on the market, and going forward we envisage that the brand will then be more visible on the island, and it's affordable to every single person that purchases, because the segments are entry level, medium ranges, luxury, so everybody can afford what is out there for the Jaquar products. I used to work for many years, or quite some years, with the products myself, and therefore I can assure you that when you visit the Jaquar World, your experience will be met with knowledge, with assistance, with guidance going forward to help any person that's going to be purchasing. And we offer a friendly service here. Please do come in anytime, have a look at the showroom, pop in for a coffee, a glass of water. We'll welcome you and enjoy the ambience. And it's a showroom that's very different. There is no other in Mauritius. And this showroom design and theme is carried out throughout the globe. All Jaquar wools in all 73 countries where they are represented. You will be able to find one here, you'll find one in Italy, you'll find all of them, coordinate, and you'll recognize a Jaquar wool anywhere in the world where there is one. So I really want people to come and experience the product itself, come and look, come and decide, and take the expert advice that's given from the showroom and the staff. We also have a technician attached to the showroom, which is very helpful, so we can do demonstrations as well. And we're there to please the customer and to ensure that they go home happy. Yep.
What are the qualities of Jaquar product? I'm not talking about it. What are the qualities
So
for customer?
The benefits of Jaquar and the advantages that you have is the quality with regards to coastal regions is superior, because Jaquar conform to all markets. Their standards are met, and in order to achieve those standards, they've even exceeded the required limitations that are put on those standards. So they've gone over far and beyond in order to meet those standards. For example, on the coastal regions, the benefit of having a Jaquar product is at the factory they do a 400-hour salt spray test, which is in a cubicle, and they test the product and the finish to ensure that it at least gives you the life that it's the span of life that they commit to do. The warranty is 10 years on the product, and it includes all working mechanisms, includes your cartridges on your mixers. Our bathtubs are very hard. We use good acrylic products on them. Our shower experiences, the products that they use, there's always an advanced technological know-how that they put into the product. For example, it's very common in the marketplace where you will experience at some place where you stay when you're traveling, you don't get a full shower experience. Jaquar have used technology to ensure that that experience is carried out by means of using silicone holes and outlets for water. Heat on water obviously softens anything that's plastic or silicone, so you're always ensured to get a full 100% of your shower. The most critical and the most important thing is the water savings that Jaquar gives. All our products have a water saving of up to 70%. In some areas where there's pressure issues, they also have high flow products that will help you to reach the pressure that you want through all your mixers, your shower heads, your hand showers. So there's a lot to go with it. The sanitary ware. Our sanitary ware has got glazing in it. The glazing is gone right through the sanitary ware to your outlets. So we have a very good coverage for bacteria. We have automated water closets. We have slimline water closets. We have wall-hung water closets. Our ranges are just so vast, and the protection on those, the weight that you can carry on those, they cater for that too. So it's remarkable. The production on Jaquar factory for faucets currently stands at 175 units a day. Faucets are produced. We have 10 ranges, 10 color in our ranges, 10 colors. We have a warranty on the finish of the product. We also have designs that have been outsourced from architects globally, so that we can ensure that the aesthetics in your home is always going to be different to whatever was and that will be. And they will continue to move forward with designs, architectural designs. Inspirational is drawn a lot from organic matter, so there's always original designs going through. The normal class of the Jaquar faucets and their products is also done in-house. They have in-house designers that do that as well. So they cover the basis of everything, but water savings is a very big factor in the product. And given that the current situation globally, and I believe in Mauritius as well, water is very scarce, it's very precious, and we should save it. We should use it sparingly, and if you can have a product that can give that to you, it's a win-win situation. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of materials that we see normally in hotels. Are you in the hotel market in Mauritius?
In Mauritius, Jaquar is represented in several hotels. They also have global references on the hotel market in all other the sectors that they cover, in the Middle East, Asia, Africa, Pacific. All the hotels there they've got projects that they've done in there and can cater for big hotel groups, very large hotel groups are now using the Jaquar products.
Last time you just said that you're doing some counseling, you have engineers. Do you go, let's say there's some groups that are making villas. You must be aware about it.
Yes.
Do you go in-house, tell them you want to sell this, but this will go, maybe that product that you're going to give to room 1 is not villa number 2, villa number 3, number 4. Do you have this? Because we have to work with a contractor for the pipes, for the exhaust and everything. It's not an easy work, you just plug and play, plug and go. No. So do you offer that?
There's a lot of thought going into it. We do have someone that does attend site meetings. We also train plumbers to work with the products, and eventually down the line, as it is happening globally, the more plumbers that we train. Plumbers are very important to our business. They are one of the most important people in our business. Training them on our products assists them and enables them to be able to give a fully approved installation on each installation, whether it's a huge hotel group or whether it's just a normal average residence, an apartment or a house, villa. We're always having the technician available to assist them, but also to train them on the usage and how the product is supposed to be taken care of. Another function that Jaquar do is taking care of the product is a very important aspect. Using an abrasive or any other material that shouldn't be is a negative with regards to your warranties. So we do hygiene training on the hygiene of the product, and hygiene not meaning germs and so forth. That is automatic, but the caring of the product itself. I actually had a customer in 2 days ago who bought a very elite bath, one of our ranges, and we invited her when she takes possession of her products, that her housekeeper can come and have training on how to care for her products so that she can get the lifespan that she expects out of the product. And we will do that. We will do that free of charge. It's part of our service. It's part of what Jaquar does. We're very proud of that as well.
We have not talked about money. Price is an important factor.
Comme je disais là, prix n'est pas un problème parce que nous avons un produit qui est à la portée de tout le monde. Tout le monde. Tout le monde, pour tout Mauricien. Les projets, les individuels, nos produits, il y a à la portée de tout le monde. Comme on dit, le groupe CEO, M. Avinash Gopi, il y a une vision pour amener une qualité de produit qui est à la portée de tout le monde. Right? Alors, Jaquar, comment nous pouvons dire, Jaquar, il y a une range de produits qui qui peut-être les autres places pas pour une année. Et Jaquar, nous avons de tout. Pour tout le monde, prix abordable, même garantie, même production appliquée pour tous les produits. Il n'y a aucune distinction. Il y a la portée de tout le monde.
Dans le secteur de construction, il y a un cas, c'est pas fait dans un jour, un mois, parfois arriver. Est-ce qu'un jour, si acheter une gamme de produits aujourd'hui, il dit, oh, ça, vous prenez la case, puis fini vers décembre, après on arrive janvier, février, on arrive mars. Et si il y a une gamme de produits, bien, ça gamme finit vendu, je vous garde ce produit qu'il est payé peut-être par installment, ou bien faire un dépôt, pas une petite structure de paiement. Parce que parfois c'est important, on a un rêve, la case, il finit, on met ça le devant, on met tout quoi, tu vois, produit là, c'est pas ce qu'on commande. Et si vous gardez un produit là ici, pour ce genre de client.
Si on a un produit aujourd'hui avec Jaquar, vous avez au compte, on dit dans 10 ans, ou les dans 10 ans, nous donnons. Nous manufacturons, nous donnons. C'est pour ça que nous disons Jaquar doit être complete perfume solution. Nous coordinated complete perfume solution. Quand on a un produit avec Jaquar, on a un choix accessoire. Je vous donne un exemple, si vous avez une série, l'exemple continental, vous avez tout choix accessoire continental. Vous n'avez pas besoin de prendre une bout de l'autre côté, un bout par ici, un bout par là-bas. Right? C'est un qui nous dit on a coordinated complete perfume solution. Vous avez tout avec Jaquar.
Avec ce plombier, tu as là.
Nous rassurons qu'il y a l'équipe technique traîne avec nous. Et ça va nous être formé par le groupe Jaquar même, vous êtes certifié comme un technicien. Peut-être une technicien pour un produit électroménager, réfrigérateur, machine à laver. Nous sommes un technicien pour un produit sanitaire. Demain, on a un projet couture, ou peut faire une construction dans la case, ou envie de connaître qui type de produit pour aller là-bas, ou bien qui design de produit pour aller là-bas, on a assisté où là-bas. Il y a un technicien qui est sur place, celui qui est tout. Le cas dit, ok, ici, vous pouvez mettre un roll-hand. Si vous pouvez mettre un roll-hand, vous pouvez mettre un couple closet toilette. Vous pouvez mettre un wash basin ici, vous pouvez mettre un half pédestral avec lui. Vous pouvez mettre un full pédestral. Qui fait que vous avez un half pédestral, qui fait que vous avez un full pédestral, du bout A à Z. Nous donnons ce service-là parce que nous avons envie d'être différents. Nous pas là juste pas même sanitaire pour vendre. Après, demain, quand on a un problème, ou pas qu'on écoute parler. Nous là pour donner qualité de produits à un prix affordable avec ce service pour les. Ou bien un spare part, ou bien un spare part. Ou bien un technicien, ou bien un technicien. Nous avons tout. Ou bien un produit là après 20 ans aussi, moi vous donner un produit là après 20 ans.
Yeah. The designs for Jaquar is amazing. There's basically for every faucet that you have, there's a sanitary wear, a piece of sanitary wear that will match that. And so the aesthetics, and it's important because you want a lovely home. So in the end of the day, we're also adding value to your home by putting our products in there. And that's the goal, really, to add the value, but also to make sure that you have products that you can work with easily, not complicated, no issue with services, no bad experiences down the line. It's a passion to actually be able to work with such a dream product or range of products. It's an amazing product to with the designs and also with the manufacturing processes, the water savings, the markets that we reach are very affordable products to everybody. You can get from, I think it's affordable to anybody, any of the products that you purchase. You can get a range for low entry-level homes right up to mega luxury. So we cover all markets. It's really the dream to make it a household name, a brand that can be, recognized everywhere, wherever you go. And it's a goal. I think Essence's goal is to push the brand into Mauritius to make it one of the number one brands, and it's very achievable.
Oh, but let's say you talk about Continental or something.
Continental
Continental
range, yes, well, Continental.
As you know, we are Mauritian. We want to have pick one in here. Do you sell in a normal set,
Yes.
compulsory, or that person is going to choose, pick and choose here and there as Mauritian?
No. We have a big range. I have just taken Continental range as an example. But you can buy from one toilet from Continental, you buy one wash basin from the solo range, you can take one accessories from any different range. But as we say, we are a coordinated
flexible on that.
solution.
Yeah, the ranges are like that. They are flexible to be able to use inter-matching products in each range. It's all about the design of what you want. Key is square, round, and oval.
But I think the taste of customers now, they want to have coordinated range.
Yeah.
Because coordinated range, they want their bathroom to be something very special nowadays. So they look for coordinated range. We also do tailor-made product also.
Yeah, I was coming to that question. Are you doing tailor-made? Because
yes,
sometimes you have dreams when you take measurement, they are 4 centimeters, 1 inch, less or bigger. Yeah, the walls are not straight as it should be. It's a bit and your bathtub does not enter. You're not going to cut your bathtub. My question was customized.
Measure shower enclosures, panels, yes.
What applies for toilets and bathtubs, lavabos, as we see in Mauritius, lavabos more.
Like, for example, toilets and wash basin, we have different size. So the range is very big, so we have different size. So there's no issue. So it's depend on the size the customer is looking for. But when we are talking about coordinated range and made to measure is different. Sometimes you have projects where they want a specific size, a specific product, then we do it. With Jaquar, we can do it.
Yeah. Don't forget one other thing that's also very important is there are a certain population that are disabled. We have a very, very
I was going to that question.
We have products for disabilities. We also have medical products for medical taps and sanitary wear for the hospital sector.
Yeah.
And that's why I say we really cover a comprehensive range.
There are hospitals that are going to be built in Mauritius.
Well, there we go.
About
we
3 or 4.
Yes, we have ranges that can cater for the hospitals, but also paraplegics. We have disabled toilets, basins, faucets, grab bars, anything that you really need for that market, that sector. And it's very important because you need to be prepared, and also the safety features in our electronic equipment also cater for a person that has a disability. If there's a problem when they're in the showers or in the steam rooms, it shuts out. So we have safety features on that are very stringent, and so like I say, every segment is covered. Manoj?
Yep. C'est ça qu'on m'a dit depuis le commencement. Et nous amènons ça là ici à Maurice pour que tout le monde gagne ce produit. Et prix, il n'y a pas de problème, il n'y a pas de facteur. Qualité produit, il n'y a pas de problème. Essence, c'est d'abord un service et une solution provider pour le consommateur.
Yes.